Risaiba Laloo ka Samla pule ha ka 6th semester jong ka Synod College kala shim bynta ha ka All India NCC Prime Minister Rally Arhajar Arpulai ha Nongbah Delhi. Ka Samla Risaiba Laloo kala yo ekanam Best Commander ha katei ka rally. Ha ka arpu tarik Rympang ka Synod College bat ka Directorate of NCC Shillong kila Pynkup burom yakini ka Samla ha ka jingialang baishongkun ha ka ba Dr. DBR Tiwari IAS Commissioner and Secretary Education Department Government of Meghalaya ulalong kongsan but Commanding Officer NCC North Eastern Region Colonel Gunpal Sangwan ulalong symbud kongsan.
Respected Sir Principal, Vice Principal, CO Sir, ANO Sir, CPO Ma'am, my Senior Engineer of Synod College NCC, my dearest teachers, and to you all who are present here, especially to our guest, Dr. BDR Tiwari, Chairperson who preside over today's program, the programming team. Thank you for allowing me to have such kind of an opportunity to stand and share some of my experience for being an NCC cadet. I would also like to thank my families, my friends, who supporting and encouraging me to achieve my goal. So in 2018, when I was in Synod High Secondary School, in class 11, when I saw a group of teenagers wearing khaki uniform, I thought that they are the policemen at the time. But then, one of my friends told me that they are not the policemen, actually they are NCC cadet. So from that, I decided, I changed my mind and I want to join this NCC. So during the first year of my college, in 2020, I get the opportunity to enroll in this respective organization. Senior Byanglang, he is the one who completed my enrollment. Thank you so much, Senior. But due to the pandemic, I did not get a chance to interact with my senior, batchmate, ANO, CTO, ma'am. And also at that time, I thought that this NCC was useless. I thought like that. But then, after the pandemic started to over, the classes started in full swing. I get to learn what NCC really is and how it works. So as I reach in second year of NCC, I get to learn about the national camp like YAP, TSC and RDC. So I was amazed by RDC, by Republic Day camp. I really want to try for it. Then one of my senior and also my favorite senior PC, he saw the willingness of me. So he's the one who guided and helped me a lot during that time. Thank you so much, Senior. It's because of you for helping me I can achieve this all.